Hello, and welcome back to Learn English Easily. Do you understand English, but feel stuck when you speak? Today, you will unlock your speaking, step by step. In this episode, you will practice 100 simple English sentences. These sentences are designed for intermediate learners. They are easy, but powerful. Many learners know grammar. They know vocabulary. But when it's time to speak, they hesitate. They translate in their mind. And they lose confidence. The solution is simple. Not more rules. Not more theory. But repetition and real sentences. Here is your method. Listen carefully. Repeat after me. Speak out loud. Feel the sentence. Don't rush. I will speak slowly, very slowly, so you can listen clearly. And read with me at the same time. Follow the sentences. Look at the words. Repeat after me. And train your ears and your eyes together. This will help you improve your listening, your reading, and your pronunciation naturally. Stay with me from the beginning to the end, and you will feel the difference. Let's begin. I have been learning English for a while. I can understand more than before. I still need more practice. I want to speak more fluently. I try to practice every day. Sometimes I feel stuck, but I keep going. I don't give up easily. I enjoy learning new words. I like listening to English podcasts. I usually study in the morning. I review my notes every day. I repeat sentences out loud. I focus on pronunciation. I try to think in English. I make small mistakes, but I learn from them. I speak slowly and clearly. I feel more confident now. I am improving step by step. Can you explain this again? I didn't catch that. Could you speak a bit slower? What does this word mean? How do you pronounce this? Can you give me an example? I'm not sure I understand. Let me try again. That makes sense now. Thank you for your help. I wake up early every day. I start my day with coffee. I check my phone. I go to work or school. I try to stay focused. I take short breaks. I listen to something useful. I learn something new daily. I manage my time carefully. I stay motivated. I prefer simple explanations. I like clear examples. I don't like complicated rules. I enjoy practical learning. I like real conversations. I learn better by listening. I remember things by repeating. I improve with daily practice. I feel progress every week. I trust the process. I want to travel abroad. I want to meet new people. I want to speak confidently. I want to understand movies. I want to improve my career. English helps me grow. English opens new doors. English connects people. English is important for me. I enjoy the journey. Sometimes I feel tired. Sometimes I feel lazy. But I remind myself of my goal. I take a short rest. Then I continue again. I stay consistent. I stay patient. I stay focused. I stay positive. I keep moving forward. Today is a new opportunity. I will do my best today. I will practice speaking. I will learn something new. I will not be afraid. I will make progress. I will stay committed. I will keep improving. I will succeed one day. I believe in myself.
This sentence is easy. That sentence is useful. This method works well. That idea is helpful. This practice is important. That habit is powerful. This journey is long, but it is worth it. I am proud of my progress. I am happy with my effort. Step by step, I improve. Day by day, I grow. Little by little, I learn. Practice makes me better. Repetition builds confidence. Speaking makes me fluent. Listening improves my understanding. Mistakes help me learn. I never stop learning. I speak English with confidence. Great work. You just practiced 100 sentences. Now, imagine if you repeat this every day, your fluency will grow naturally. Here are some tips. Repeat this episode daily. Shadow the sentences. Record your voice. Listen and compare. Don't rush. Progress takes time, but you are on the right path. If you enjoyed this episode, follow the podcast and share it with someone learning English. See you in the next episode.